Hello, this is M. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have a quick solution for the situation when your formula is not working. What I mean by your formula is not working: whenever you have a correct syntax at the formula level, you are starting with an equal sign, you have your formula in place, everything is correct, but still it's not showing the data correctly. There might be two potential causes for that specific situations, and today we are going to see each one of them. One potential cause might be at your operating system settings level. So thinking about Windows 10, so here I have a Windows 10 with some settings. Thinking about Windows 10, your date and language formats might not match your Excel settings and also your Excel settings for the formula. So what you can do is to scroll down among the options, or simply to go to the search bar and type control, get the control panel, open the control panel, and there to go to clock and region, and then to select among the region options, change date, time, and word number formats. So you can click there. It will show what you have at the date level, the hour level, but more important than that is to go into the additional settings, click on them, and double check if the decimal symbols, if the digit grouping symbol are perfectly matching with your Excel. So if you have a dot, then you need to ensure that in the Windows settings you also have a dot, you don't have a comma, and so on and so forth. So double check the settings before going ahead with the very next solution that we have. So I can close here everything and then go to the next option, and this is the option that will reset your Excel settings without having to reinstall the entire Office suite. You might have some rules in your Outlook, you might have some archives in Outlook, or simply to prevent an extra work which is not needed. What you can do is to reset Excel without uninstalling anything. And to do so, what you can do is simply to press and keep press the Windows key on your keyboard, and then to press the R from Ricardo to get the run window open. And in the run window open, you can type REGEDIT. So to edit the registries, regedit, to edit the registries, and press OK. And that will also ask you for your admin permissions, because you are going to enter into the logical path of your Windows, and there you will have the rules among which your Windows is working. So what you can do is to go to H key current user. Play attention, not H key users, but H key current user, you. Double click on that. That will expand the options. Then go to software. Then in software, go to Microsoft. Double click on Microsoft, and then scroll down until you have Office. And for Office, choose 16th. Choose 16th, which will expand those registries where you also have Excel. If you click on Excel, you have a list of parameters here, but you don't need to go to those parameters or change anything. You can simply select the Excel folder, right click, delete, and press yes. And then you can close the window, close your Excel, and restart the application, and that will restart your Excel file as you had it initially with the initial settings, and most probably will solve your formula issue that you had at the beginning. So that could be a very quick and efficient workaround whenever you have something that is not working in Excel. Please do like to that video, subscribe to my channel, add your comments, place your questions, and have a perfect day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.